My video is dedicated to help you remove the ransomware called Gosw. Gosw is the ransomware that encrypts files and damages them considerably. The ransomware, by the way, is from the DJVU ransomware family. It encrypts files and tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file recovery. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. So don't waste the money, don't pay the ransom. My video, though, is only for the educational purposes. In my video, I will show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files. You can clearly see that we are able to open our files without troubles before the ransomware attack. But then, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular Gosw ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. After restarting the systems, users realize that they cannot use their data anymore. The ransomware would tell its victims that they must pay a certain ransom for file recovery. However, to pay the ransom is not a good idea, of course. This does not guarantee that the files would be restored. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste the money for nothing. Don't ever pay it. Don't waste the money. Very soon you will see the consequences and the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. So this is what happens. You try to open this specific file and you get a message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with this Gosw additionally appended extension. Don't pay the ransom and don't waste your money. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then start examining the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats. So the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button and then begin researching your computer. First of all, the software should update its anti-malware database, and of course this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of infections. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the system. Combo Cleaner is provided with anti-ransomware feature, allowing you to add one or several folders that would be protected from ransomware attacks. This feature, though, does not decrypt files. It only helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data from being damaged in the future. So upgrade to Premium and your files will always be protected.